Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the lower right corner of your screen and click on the menu icon. This will open up the main navigation panel where you can access all the important settings and features within Messenger. Once the menu appears, locate and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for customizing your Messenger experience, including privacy, notifications, and security options. Next, within the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Safety. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how your messages are protected and who can see your activity. It's an important area for controlling your overall security preferences on the platform. Now, scroll down to the Security section and click on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. This feature is what keeps your conversations private by encrypting them so only you and the recipient can read them. By accessing this option, you'll be able to adjust how encryption works for your messages. After that, click on Message Storage. This setting controls where and how your encrypted messages are saved, giving you more control over your data backup and storage options. Here, you'll see an option labeled Save Key in Google Drive. Make sure the toggle button next to it is turned off. Disabling this prevents your encryption key from being automatically backed up to your Google Drive, which is one step toward reducing the encryption features. Next, click on More Options to reveal additional settings. This will give you access to further controls related to how your encrypted messages are handled and synchronized. Now, under More Options, you'll see Auto Sync. Click the toggle button next to it to turn it off. By disabling Auto Sync, you're stopping Messenger from automatically syncing your encrypted messages across devices, which further reduces the encryption functionality. Once you've done that, go back to the previous screen. You'll now be able to see another important option that helps you complete the process. Now you can see an option that says Turn off automatic uploads. Click on it and it will turn off completely. This stops Messenger from automatically uploading encrypted content, effectively disabling the end-to-end encryption features you've been adjusting. And that's it. You've successfully turned off end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger, giving you more control over how your messages are stored and synced. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.